Hello and welcome to
Butler.HQ.
And today we've a package from, what was the company called? Where did we buy it from?
Quarry Motors.
Quarry Motors, and we've got a new present for the Dirty Diesel.
But you could say it's a late Christmas present for the Dirty Diesel, yeah.
Because we ordered these.
We ordered these
about 3 days ago.
yeah.
About 3 days ago, turned up today with ups, which was a pleasure because normally nothing turns up.
No, because normally with ups it goes missing, doesn't
It
it?
does, yeah. So we've got 2 boxes. I'm going to bring the camera out
Yeah.
and show us opening the new
And pads.
and calipers.
And calipers, yeah.
And you might be asking, well, why are you buying new disc and calipers and from Quarry Motors? Because Quarry Motors is a breakers. Well, these are an upgrade because what they're off, Pop?
They're off an E36 330.
We're going to open them up and see what's in the box. So, which box do you open first?
I think we'll open the largest box first.
Yeah. So we purchased the discs, pads,
Yes. And calipers.
Expecting the calipers to be discs to be.
So, yeah.
Packing's good.
It is indeed.
That's one disc.
That was grooved, was that? On the advert.
Remember?
I think that was, yeah. Yeah.
So,
I'm sure that was, yeah.
so if you noticed, it's changed a bit from last time.
It does, yeah.
And let's begin off. Dad noticed the rusty routers there.
Yeah.
Well, the ones that Dad was looking at was vented
And grooved.
and grooved. I'd obviously now been looking at some before Dad had been looking for some. And Dad sent me a link over in the morning and I hadn't looked at a link. And I've just watched it. Later in the day, Dad sent me a text, oh, can we get a deal on them? Routers, discs, pads. And I went on to my watch thing and these was the first one I'd seen. So I thought Dad had sent them and I'd opened nothing of it. I didn't open until Dad got back from work today so we could do a video. Up and opening, we saw the rusty discs, and that's why if there's any footage in my face, I was shocked because that's what I said. Well, Dad had been looking at a different set from the same company, yeah. So that's why we cut the camera off and we was both. Well, it was that deal really. It was a bit of that, right? And so we just cut the camera off and we was like flipping out.
Yeah.
That's flipping crap. We brought a wrong one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Dad had been looking at another set. I'd been looking at another set about a week before you started doing some searching, and that's where we met now. Having opened the box out, the calipers do look
reconditioned. The discs look shot, but it looks out.
And we're just about to check the pads now, but sort of the old deal's been a bit
bit of a thing.
And Dad was expecting that I'd brought ones he'd sent. But when we cut the video and we look back on my watch list, and the ones that so it's all been a bit flipping crap. Anyway, we'll look now and see a bit more closer of what we've got. The calipers. Now, on a good note, he's put a bolt in, and he hasn't left the
that was in, and it's got a
reconditioned tag on.
Yeah.
It looks like those are quite loose. We will put some pair braking fluid in just to be safe.
Yeah.
They all look.
And that one is loose.
And that one is loose.
That one's loose. That one out.
And it's got the big bolts on as well. So yeah, more of a deal that we were both flipping expecting. But the calipers don't look totally shot. The disc, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to flipping salvage a couple of miles out of there until we get a set of M-Tech ones. I don't know. We look meaty still.
Yeah.
We have to check the specs of
Living lock and Seabit. Yeah. So.
And that's been my Dirty Diesel's Christmas present.
Yeah, it has been. So we're going to clean them up. We're going to paint them, and in the coming week or so we're going to fit them.
Yes.
Depending on if it stops snowing.
Because in between all weeks we've looked outside and it's snowing
Again.
Right
again. So it's been clear for a day, but now it's coming back again. So.
And like I said, with situations like this, it was sort of a breakdown of communication and being sidetracked. And Dad had sent me a link. I'd saved it and looked at it later, like we all do, I suppose. And that's all. Can we try and get a deal on them? I went through my watch list. The first one I'd seen, I'd automatically thought that it was the one what Dad had sent. So I sort of a few backs and forths, going to about £10 off what it should have been, and I was happy. Left them all wrapped up for when Dad finished work, so we could open them, and that's why the video went a bit turbo. Looking back now, sort of it's still flipping a bit, but it ain't as bad as we initially thought, is it? So I'm now going to say thanks for watching. Bye bye.